Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm going to show you how to make baked chicken with broccoli garlic sauce. This is delicious. Come on guys, let me show you how to do it. Alright, as you can see, we have our wonderful seasoning here for a dry rub. We have some salt, black pepper, we have garlic powder, we have onion powder, we have chili powder, and we have paprika. And we got some dry basil. Okay. Now we're going to blend our seasonings together. Let's just bring it all together. Now we're going to dry rub our chicken. Come on, let me show you how we do that. Now we take our chicken, we start from the back and we just sprinkle it over nicely, and then we press with the other hand. Okay? Wonderful. We turn it over. We just want to sprinkle it over, and then we want to press with the other hand. The idea, guys, is not to get your hand too soaked with the seasoning, okay? Wonderful. Let's try another one. Here's a chicken leg, okay? We sprinkle it over with that nice seasoning that we made. Sprinkle it nicely, and then we just press it in. You see? Press it. Let's do that again. Sprinkle it. Look at that. And then just press it in. All right. Now remember, it's to your taste. So I made the seasoning, but you need to pinch taste it, okay? Make sure that it's enough salt that you like it. Salt and pepper, and the blend is nice. This blend that I have here, you taste all of the seasonings, the garlic powder, the onion powder, everything is coming through. That's what you want to make sure and do for yourself. So give it a pinch taste, okay? When you make your seasoning, give it a taste so it's where you want it to be. Okay, we just sprinkle it and we press. Don't be shy on the salt, because the salt is going to bring everything together, okay? So a little salty, not too salty, okay? Wonderful. Sprinkle and press. That's looking great. Get that in there. Just pull the skin back, guys. Don't be shy. Press that in there. Put your skin right back over there. Here we go. Pull the skin back if you can. Let's see. Just release that a little bit. Pull the skin back. Okay. And then we're going to take some of this nice rub, this nice dry rub, and we're just going to put it right there underneath the skin. That's what you want. Press it right in. Press it in. All right. Get some more of this rub. Don't be shy. Press it in. Put the skin right back over. There you go. All right. Great. We want flavor. We don't need perfection. We need flavor, guys. Perfection is for the other guy. We want flavor. All right. Beautiful. I'm going to get the rest of that in there. This is what you want. It's looking great, guys. Push it all in. All right. Let's put it in our grease pan. Now we take our wonderful chicken and we pan it in our grease pan. I had already gone ahead and greased our pan nicely. And we're just going to lay it nicely in our grease pan. Okay? We're just going to do like this. And we're going to put it in our preheated oven, okay, at 375, and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes or until fully cooked. Now I'm just going to go ahead and spray it. The reason why I'm spraying it is because that protects the seasoning from burning. You understand? This is perfect. That's what you want. Any spray you want. I'm using a nice olive oil, but you can use any canned spray, okay, and just spray it nicely, coat it as I did this way. And then we're going to put it right in the oven. This way when it cooks, we want to get it nice and crisp. So we're cooking it at a nice temperature of 375 for 30 minutes or until fully cooked. Because we want some crisp, we want this fat to crisp up. All right? Let's put this in the oven. Come with me. Ready? Okay, everyone. Now we have our pan nicely heated. We're going to start with some oil, okay? And then we're going to add some butter. Now the reason for this is because without the oil, the butter would burn. So we now add the butter for the flavor. And it's going to melt nicely without burning. We're going to add broccoli to our butter and oil. Cook that down nicely. I'll show you when it's cooked down. I'll show you how it should look. Hang in there with me, guys. All right, let's add our garlic in here. Let's cook it all together. Okay, now we have our broccoli just where we want it. We don't want it to be overcooked. We're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Stir it right in. All right. All right, guys, we're going to hit it with a little bit of lemon. I got my seed capture here. All right, just a couple of squeezes of lemon. There you go. I'm telling you. Just whisk that right in. That's good. Oh, that smells delicious. Look at that sauce. That's what you want. Now we're going to check out chicken, guys. All right. All right, guys, let's give this a taste. See how it coats the spoon? And it's forest green. That's what you want. You don't want to overcook your broccoli. This is the best part. Oh, man. That's delicious. That hint of lemon just picked everything up. It tastes delicious, guys. Come on, let's check out chicken now. This is it, guys. Baked chicken with broccoli garlic sauce. Look at that. Just spread that in there like that. All right. Here we go, guys. Just spread this down like that. Baked chicken with broccoli garlic sauce. There you go. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like for more delicious videos like this. Enjoy cooking with Al.